kids, welcome back in our ENV class. Hope you all happy and healthy and you all completed our ENV notebook and textbook. Now today we will start new topic. So let's start. Okay, we will start our chapter 6. Chapter 6, Food for Health. In this chapter, we will study about food for our health. Means which types of food we have to eat and which type of food should not eat. Today, we learn about the food keeps us healthy. We will also study about the food groups. Means there are 3 types of food groups and we eat healthy eating means we should maintain healthy eating habit. Okay, now we all need food, right? You all need food. Yes, I also need food. Do you know why we need food? Anyone tell me? Yes, we need food because food gives us energy. What food gives us? Energy means strength to work and play. You can see in these pictures, we all need food. Food gives us energy. From this help of energy, we can do our work and we can play also. Now I ask you a question. Think out of it. For the one, today your mama don't give you food. How do you feel without food? Yes, you feel sick and you cannot do any work because you don't have energy. If you don't have energy, then you cannot do any work. So we have to eat proper and healthy food for the energy. So for the energy we need food. Food help us to grow healthy and strong. Okay kids, we will do a activity. The activity is the circle healthy food and cross the junk food. Okay, now you have to tell me about which one is healthy food and which one is junk food. Okay, let's start. First is bread. Bread is healthy food, bread is junk food. Yes, bread is junk food. So we put cross on it. Second is milk. Now milk is junk food. No, milk is healthy food. This fruits and vegetables, healthy food. And this butter, healthy food. It is bodybuilding food also. This cheese one is also healthy food. And this pizza is healthy food. Yes, pizza is healthy food. No, pizza is junk food. So we cross on it. This omelette is healthy food. This corn is also healthy food. Curd is healthy food. And this chicken is also healthy food. This french fries is healthy food. No, this french fries is junk food. And this soup is healthy food. And last one is burger. This burger is healthy food. No, it is junk food. In short, if you eat healthy food, then become healthy. And your bones also get strong and healthy. If eat junk food, then your bones never get you strong and healthy. Your bones is getting you weak. Do you know how many food groups is there? There are 3 food groups. Which one? First is energy giving food. Second is bodybuilding food. And third one is protective food. Okay, we have to maintain these food groups. If we have stay healthy, then we have to eat all types of food, right? Now some children don't like some vegetables, so they never eat that. But it is wrong. We have to eat all things. Then only we get all nutrients and calciums and vitamins. Eating too much can make us fat. Means we have to maintain balance in eating because too much eating make us fat. And some people eat so less, means they are eat one roti, half roti, too much less, means but little eating make us weak, means eating too much little can make us weak. Okay, do you know about the meal? In which groups? First is energy giving food. You can see in this picture, these all are energy giving food. From these all things we get energy. You can see in this picture, first is rice, second is chapati, bread, sugar. These all are energy giving food. Means food like potato, rice, bread and sugar give us energy. What they give us? Energy. They are called energy giving food. Because this food give us energy, so we call energy giving food. They also help our body to stay warm. Next one is bodybuilding food. Milk, cheese, fish, eggs, pulses and meat help in building our body and muscles. You can see in this picture this milk, cheese, chicken, fish and last one is egg. This all food make us our body strong and our muscles also strong. So this called bodybuilding food. They also help us to grow and make our bones and teeth very strong. Now next one is protective food. Fruit, vegetables and nuts protect us from many diseases. So they protect us, so we call protective food. You can see in this picture, in the protective food comes fruits, vegetables and nuts. Now next is meals. What is next? Meals. Meal is the food we eat at a fixed time every day. Means we eat fixed time every day. Do you know how many meals we should take in a day? 3 meals we should take in a day. The name is first meal is breakfast, second one is lunch and third one is dinner. So first is BREAK, break, FAST, fast, breakfast. First meal is breakfast. Okay, now we have to breakfast we can take in 8 o'clock. Lunch, second is lunch. Second meal is lunch. We can take 12 o'clock. And last one is the dinner. Which one is last? DINNER, dinner. We take 8 o'clock at night. We should follow our time. Okay, if in between the day you feel like hungry and you eat a small meals, it is called snack. Now next is eating habits. What is next? Eating habits means we should follow eating habits. You should follow some rules for healthy eating. Now first is wash your hands before and after your Meals means you have to wash your hand before eating and after eating. Wash your mouth after eating. Next one is eat well cooked food. Do not eat that food has been kept uncovered. It might have germs that can make you sick. Eat slowly and chew your food very well. Eat and drink from clean plates and glasses. Eat fresh food. Eating stale food can make you sick. Eat meals at regular intervals and do not waste food. You should eat healthy food and you don't eat junk food. Junk food is not good for our health, so we put cross on it. And healthy food is good for our health. We should. Okay, kids, now time to say bye bye. Thank you. Stay safe. We will meet again in our next chapter.